Got another one arrived here to fix up. A little bit of holes in the box, covering up the label, but this box is very, packing's a lot better than I usually get. It is a little bit narrow of a box for what it contains, but let's get her open. This is what I was talking about with the box being a little bit narrow. The face is basically right up against the box. Sides is alright. Let's finish getting this bad boy open. This one definitely has a little more use on it than its counterpart that I have up here, which is very, very nice. I'm not going to hook this one up or even test it. I'm just going to get the covers off because as soon as I moved it around in the box, I heard something loose rattling around in there. Didn't sound like it was something too big, but I don't trust that, so good thing. Well, I did go ahead and turn this on. Somebody did put some very dim, crappy LEDs in here. I don't know what the heck those are. And this does still have a tantalum there on C179, but it does key up. SWR meter seems to be way off, but it's working. Look at this. I'm on the 200 watt scale. Audio. This thing's doing 25 watts. Original tantalum, original relay. It's a good candidate for, a little cleanup and alignment. It does seem the receiver's kind of low. Somebody's been in here before though, because all these knobs are quite, loose. Like somebody sprayed regular contact cleaner in them. See if sideband works. Don't hear anybody on there right now. Notice this is a little jumpy. Well, I'll go over this one and come back to it in a little while, but I definitely got to figure out what's going on with this meter and whatever these lights are. Ew. I still have a loose sound in here when I move this around. It sounds like there's a screw or something. Of course, doesn't help that I hit my coax back there, but there's something loose back in here. But I'm going to take this apart, take the faceplate off. There's quite a bit of dirt between here and this meter, and I'm just going to go ahead and give it a clean up. This one's a good candidate. It's got the old, ancient cigarette smell to it. Not a fresh one, but as you touch stuff, you can kind of smell that coming into the forefront here. So I might as well just pop these knobs off, take the screws out around here, get this pulled off, get it cleaned up real good, and put it back together. Well, this escalated quickly. Took all the front apart, cleaned it up, recapped it. Got her all tuned up. Audio 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 1 2 3 4. Audio 1 2 3 4. Got in here and found out also CBPA and internal external speaker channel mod. Did them both. Take it to a different place altogether. Looks like it has a little bit of lowers. It's got some uppers. And the clarifier was already unlocked for me, so didn't have to do my usual mods, but just a heck of a lot of cleaning. I'll put this one back together. I'll probably put this one up on eBay here shortly. I don't know. I've got one over here that's really good shape. This one here's got the original stock mic with it, so, and you can talk from a pretty good distance. Let's see. I'm more than shoulder length. Audio, 1, 2. Audio. I'm a whole arm length away. If I get a little bit closer. Audio, 1, 2. Audio. These things are good on a stock mic or a desk mic. So, guess I'm gonna finish cleaning up on this one and get it back together. I did notice the SWR meter is kind of a little bit stuck. It does work. It just seems to be off a little bit. And I don't feel like really replacing a whole meter because of that, because it does move freely. It does work. It's just kind of stuck at the bottom. My SWR should be less than 1.5 to 1. But I mean, it's just the meter. Nothing wrong with the radio. Other than that, it's pretty much been a full-on restoration in here. Cleaning up lots of dust. So let me finish up. She don't look too bad. A little bit of markings on the case. A little bit of scratches along the chrome, which is hard to show in the photos. I did not clean up the mic just yet, so it's kind of dirty a little bit. There she is, looking good. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Everything works as it should. It's got a hell of a noise blanker. You know what? I need to check and make sure that's not a channel switch too. Well, it's awfully quiet. Let's see. Oh, I'm still on channel 3. It's just a very effective noise blanker. Pretty late at night now. Probably no traffic. Well, she turned out pretty good. I'll think on this one for a day or so, and maybe I'll put this one up on eBay. Until then, comments, questions. Oh, and this is one that came through the mail and came in 2 days and was packed somewhat decent. So, yeah, any questions or comments? This is the same as my last one, you know, change C179, if not anything else. I did upgrade the AM regulator to a tip 41C. There's all the caps that came out of it. And she's looking good. 73s for now, and I'll keep y'all posted if this one comes up for sale soon. Adios.